Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about NatureErase Instant Mole and Spot Removal Gel, whether it's legit or just another scam. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available research and user experiences as well as personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I did this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Now, NatureErase isn't sold under one trusted brand. Instead, it's been spotted under names like Lovilds, Avialgo, and Fivgo, a common tactic used by a dropshipping scam. According to malware tips, there's no clinical evidence supporting its skincare claims. Fake reviews and AI-generated testimonials have flawed product pages. Rotating brand names and sites make accountability impossible, and serious complaints include skin burns, scarring, and no refunds. Meanwhile, on Reddit, some users say DIY mole removal creams can work, but only if you know exactly what you're treating and after a dermatologist checks it. Otherwise, it could damage your skin or miss signs of something more serious like melanoma. For the final verdict, NatureErase appears to be a high-risk scam, not a legit medical solution. From fake science to shady sellers, the red flags are everywhere. Even if a few users see results, the risk, including scarring and treating the wrong type of skin growth, aren't worth it. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.